Hello friends, today we will make a paracord bracelet. This is a very special bracelet because it has been used by a survival expert for a very long time. So let us begin making this. For this I've taken white and I've taken black color paracord and we need a hook. So first I'll show you how to join the paracords. So what you need to do is just take two corners of both the paracords. And what you do is you cut the excess part, the loose part, okay. Now what we'll do is we'll just light a candle so that our hands are free, okay. Now what we'll do is we'll just slightly burn these edges. You have to be careful, don't touch the edges because they may burn your fingers. So that's why I'm using the candle here, not the lighter. So just burn it a little, both the ones, and you just press them against each other. And just let them be there for a few seconds. Okay. Now the job of the candle is done. So now with the fingers, very carefully you just press them. So as you can see, we have made a very good joint here. So it's very easy to do. So now we'll start making our para bracelet. So what we have done is we joined it here. So we'll take this corner and we'll put it inside. You put it inside from the top, make sure it's from the top. Okay. Now make a loop. So now we have made a loop. As you can see, you take the corners and take it out of the loop. Okay. And just make a nice tight knot. So what I have done is I have hidden the joint here. So this is our first knot. Now what I'll do is I'll measure it. I'll let you know how to measure. So I'll take her hand. Okay. And now what you do is you just take the size. So this is the size basically, but if you take it exactly the size, it will be a bit tight. So what you do is you just a little bit, you try to put your finger inside, and now I have this much. Okay, so this is the size I want. So I'll just take it from here, and this is my guideline. So I'll take a pencil and make a small mark here. So this is my guideline. So now what I'll do is I'll just take this and I'll remove the second part of the clip. So as you can see, I've made my mark here. If you can see it, this is the mark. So I'll take my second part up to here. So this is it. And now I'll fold it back. So I folded it. So this is the length I want basically. Okay. So now we'll start. So in order to help you out, what I can do is we can take a tape and we'll put it here. And we'll press it like this so that it becomes easier for us to make the knot. So what you do is you carefully segregate these two portions. So this is my left part, this is my right part. So you take and make a inverted C, and it should come over the top. It should come over the top of these two. Then you take this one and lift it up. It should go from behind and then out of the loop. Okay, and then you just make a knot. So we have made our first knot. So I'll take my right one, I'll make an inverted C. Okay, then I will take this left one, take it from the top of this one and from behind of this one and behind, and take it out of the loop. So from this side, so I'll take this one, inverted loop. This will come from up, go behind, out of the loop and pull. Once again, now this side, make an inverted C. This one come from the top, go behind, out of the loop and pull. You just leave some space here, make a cut, then here also make some space, make a cut, burn it here nicely, and you just press it back.